Welcome to my channel Creative Art. I am Nilima and today we are going to make this simple but beautiful and elegant looking contemporary style sculpture painting. This time friends, I did try a very different and unique look for my sculpture painting and made it just using 3 different colors, and with the help of a ceramic cone we made this beautiful design. So friends, do watch the complete video to make it yourself, and do subscribe my channel friends for more creative art painting videos, and do press the bell icon to get notification for each video I post every week. All the materials shown in this video are listed in the description box below with their links from where you can also buy them online. So now let's check out all the materials we are going to need for this painting. First of all, we are going to need sculpture paste. So here I'm going to use the red velvet, which is a red color, the snow spread, which is white, the green weed, which is green in color, and midnight, which is a black sculpture paste. And to apply the sculpture paste friends, we're going to use a palette knife which looks like this, and I'm going to use palette knife number 10 from Mount Martha. And we're going to need ceramic cones. So these are the ready-made colorful cones which are filled up with a ceramic paste, and these are absolutely ready to use. Other than that, you're going to need a compass, a pencil, and a scale to do the drawing and measurement parts. For my base, I'm going to use a round cut MDF board of thickness 5 mm and its size is 20 × 20 centimeter. So let's start the video now friends. Now first of all, using a scale, I'm going to draw lines from one end to the other end of our base. So this will help me find the center. I have already done it. When 2 to 3 lines will cross the same path, you will easily get the center. So here is my center, which I already did find out. Using a compass, take our exact measurement, whether it is equal and round from all the sides. So this is my exact center. I have already got it. And then I am taking 5 centimeter as my radius and drawn a circle in this way. So here we have 2 circles. This is the innermost circle and this is the outermost circle. So now friends, let's start preparing our base by placing sculpture paste on the inner and outer circle. So you can either place white on the outer circle or you can place white on the inner side circle. I'm going to place a black sculpture paste on the outer circle and white sculpture paste, which is snow spread, on the center circle. So according to this, you can also select your ceramic cones, either black or white or any other color you like. Now let's start preparing our sculpture paste. So first of all, I'm going to use the snow spread. I'm going to use just a little bit, as I'm going to use this in my center part of the circle. So just cut the sculpture paste in this way, and then easily you will be able to smash the sculpture paste. You always have to prepare and pre-mix your sculpture paste before starting your sculpture painting. So when you see that your sculpture paste is easily mixable and it gives you this kind of fine texture, that means it is ready. So in the same way, we will be mixing all our sculpture paste for this painting. Now our black sculpture paste is also ready. Now both our sculpture paste are ready. I'm going to place a white sculpture paste in the center, and I'll make sure that I do not cross this line. So take a little amount and start scraping it all inside the circle in this way. Okay, once I have made the surface smooth in this way, as you can see, I have left the center be as it is. Then I'm going to take my compass, find out the exact center where it was, exactly right here, and then go all over the sculpture paste in this way. Remove the excess. Finally, I did get my circle, so I'll place a little bit of sculpture paste again in the center, pat, then fill it up and smooth it using my palette knife. Now using the same palette knife, gently clean out the excess sculpture paste. If you have got any rough edges, just smooth it using your same palette knife. Now we'll do the same using black sculpture paste. Take bit by bit of the sculpture paste and start applying it around the outer side without disturbing anything from the inner circle. So whenever I'm going to do this part, I'll be very gentle by applying. Rest. I'm going to apply it quick. Okay, now I have placed the sculpture paste all around the outer circle. There is just few detailing parts remaining, so I'll complete it very carefully without inserting any black sculpture paste in the inner circle. Give it a very clean round edging and then show you how does it looks. Okay, after some time I have completed doing my finishing part and this is how it looks. So now we will keep it aside and start preparing for the flower. This time I'm planning to make a rose in the center. So for that I'm going to use a red sculpture paste, and this is the one I have already pre-mixed and prepared, so it is smooth and ready to use. This is how beautiful and bright it looks. Now friends, let's start making the flower petals. And first of all, here I have taken a red velvet sculpture paste, which is red in color, and I'm going to use palette knife number 7. I have already pre-mixed the sculpture paste, and so this is how smooth it looks. So first of all, I'm going to spread the sculpture paste from both the sides in this way. I'll make sure that my palette knife is clean, and then from one side, one end of the palette knife, I'll start scraping the sculpture paste in this way. And when you see that you have got this kind of edging flip, cut it from the opposite direction so you have got the smooth end again. And now start scraping the sculpture paste once again in the same way from the same direction. So now friends, you can see here we have got one petal shape. Gently place it in this way. If there is any excess, just remove it in this way. And here we have got a petal which we have to place from the right side. So for the petal from left side, start scraping sculpture paste from the left side in this way. Try to make your palette knife full from the opposite side. Then scrape off the extra so you have got a smooth edge from left side. Again start scraping in the same way, and here you can see you have got such beautiful shape of a petal. Now just lay it down in this way. So here friends, you have got left and right side petal. For the center petal, it's just a very simple trick to place the petal in the round angle. So now again start scraping sculpture paste. Okay, clean the edge and scrape the sculpture paste from the center of your palette knife so that you'll get a beautiful round edge in this way, and then lay it down from the opposite side like this. Just give the curve to the edgings in this way, and here you can see you have got a beautiful center angled leaf. So now friends, in the same way you have to create as many as leaves you need for the rose, and one by one we'll start placing them. So now I have got all the petals I need for the rose. So let's start placing these petals on our base. If friends you want to give a little bit of lift up to any of the petal, there's a very simple trick that you can do is simply paste a little bit of sculpture paste on the bottom first, and then you can easily lift up the next petal. Now again, I'm going to place one more chunk of sculpture paste right here. And then finally, place a petal right here. Now we have finally completed making the rose, and this is how it looks when I have given some finishing touches. So now friends, as you can see here that after making the rose, we do have a lot of red on the white base. So what I'm going to do is, using white acrylic color and a paintbrush, I'm going to color that white part, the inner circle white, again as white wherever we have got any red residue. Use only the amount you need. If you want, you can also color the red rose. This time I'm going to just let it be in its natural color. Maybe later on I will be adding some shadings on it. You can do the same if you have got anywhere red on your black part. Now this is how our sculpture painting looks. When I have completed doing all the finishing touches, this is how beautiful the rose looks, and the base is also smooth and dry. So now friends, as you can see here, I have already made a design so that I can start working with my ceramic cone. So for this painting, I'm going to use white color, maybe black if needed, and red color ceramic cone. So what you have to do is, using your ceramic cone, simply start following the design you have drawn. And this is how you'll get a clean and clear design. So I'll keep doing the design I have drawn on the base, and then we can add few more additives on it. So in the same way, I'm going to make more designs like this one I have made here. But before that, I'm showing you to use the red ceramic cone, which I'm going to use in this part, which is between black and white. So first of all, I'm going to make few dots of big size. And now I'm going to make small dots. So this is how it looks. When we finally complete doing the white color design, we can also do the same from the outer side borders. So in the same way friends, I have finally completed doing the designing part using the ceramic cone, and this is how beautiful our sculpture painting looks now. I just love the contemporary look we have given to this painting, and the color combination is almost favorite of most of the people. I have to say that the ceramic cones just added the perfect amount of elegance and beauty to this painting, and as simple as the making was, but the beauty and elegance of this painting is just enormous. I have to say friends that I'm definitely going to try the same color combination and make 1 or 2 more sculpture paintings. Friends, if you did like this video, do try watching more similar videos from the same playlist, which is linked in the description box below. And friends, do tell me in the comments below, how did you like my videos? And if you do like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.